Well, hi everyone. Happy Monday night. It's Lisa. We are here over at QVC, step by step with Stacy, and we have so much going on this week on QVC that I wanted to do a quick Monday night check-in with you, let you know what's going on. So we're back tonight in Stacy's show. Actually, I just showed the soup and sandwich. I wanted to kind of do like a little "Did you miss it?" Hashtag "Did you miss it?" mini series right here. Hey Marissa, how are you? So that I don't want you to miss out on anything, because a lot of these are seasonal patterns, and when the season is gone, it's gone for the year. So just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Ed Tesher, hi. Everybody say hi to Ed. And by the way, we thank you all for Gail's birthday wishes. I know that Tara and Gail and Ed and myself and Bryn and Joy and Karen and everyone in the home office, Joyce and Emily and Charlie, all say thank you. Ed Tesher says Lisa, that's what he calls me. Hi Gail, hi Jeanette, hi Colleen, hi Teresa, hi Jenny, hi Christina. Okay, just a quick heads up, here's what we're doing. I'm over at QVC, step by step with Stacy. I'm gonna flip the camera around because I wanna show you something. Now this is a "Did you miss it?" because these were on yesterday on In the Kitchen with David. Tara and David presented these and they blew out. Okay, so see this pumpkin patch? This is the soup and sandwich, 16 ounces, that awesome 12-ounce tray right there. It comes in a set of 2. This sold out last year. Hold on for a second. Sylvia from Portugal. Hi, it's awesome to have Sylvia from Portugal here. That's amazing. Hi to everybody who's joining. Let me give you a quick color countdown on this, okay? So the pumpkin patch right there, there's literally 30 left for the year. Then come on up, we have a few Buffetti left, a few Harvest, a few Falfetti. By the way, if you love Falfetti, we didn't do a lot in Falfetti, so you definitely want to pick this up. Hi Winifred. Oh, hi Walfred. Hi April. Hi Pamela. There's the pumpkin and floral lace. There's the fall. And then we have all of your traditional colors. Floral lace blue, super limited, almost gone. Confetti, there's less than 30 left. Hi Debbie, hi Monica. Monica, you and I spoke today. How are you doing? There's the light blue, and then all the traditional colors that you've been collecting for the 17 years. Annie Wright, I love how she said OMG, I love these, I agree. Look at all the great colors, but I wanted to give you a call out on the limited ones. So it's the pumpkin patch. All the seasonals right here are very limited. Okay, those right there. And then when we get back down to floral lace blue, almost gone, confetti almost gone. All right, let me give you another heads up. At 7:30 on QVC2, Step by Step with Stacy, we have these amazing loaf pans. Now, these are 12-ounce capacity. We did something super cool here. You don't have to choose. You either get our harvest patterns right here of the Buffetti, the harvest, the pumpkin patch, and the pumpkin, or the classic where we mixed and matched the floral lace, the green, the blue, the black, and the red. Every one comes with its own gift box right there. So you get 4 gift boxes, 4 of the mini loaf pans, and each one has a plastic snap-on storage cover. And look at all the ideas we have here. So when you're thinking gifting and you're thinking holiday, look how cute this is. Like, oh my gosh, imagine this on your harvest table. All right, I got to start saying hi to some people. Tammy, Valerie. Oh, Valerie, you have a set and spice. Marcia, Pamela, Ed Tesher's here. I know Tara has a meeting tonight, so she's busy, but we'll give a big shout out to Tara and Gail as well. But look at all the great ideas for individual gifts, and then, yep, Thanksgiving dinner. So that's what's going on tonight on Step by Step with Stacy, and that's kind of like a "Did you miss it?" because those were on the soup and sandwich yesterday on In the Kitchen with David. So let's see, that's what's going on tonight. Wednesday, remember Bryn, who joined our team, Bryn Edwards, well, she's going to be joining you at 3 a.m. and then I'll be back in the morning, and then Tara will be back with a big hour show at 7 p.m. on Wednesday night with guess who? David Venable. Yep, they are hosting a show together. I can't even remember the last time they did an hour show together. So join in. We'll be doing a chat. Oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you one more thing. Hi, Kayfon. How are you? From vacation checking in. Love that. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Molly Fu. Everyone give Tara, Ed, Gail, and Bryn a big shout out as well. And just wanted to let you know that tomorrow at noon, we're starting a new series. It's called a Use and Care series on Facebook. And I'm going to be chatting with you. So if you have any questions, how to care for your temptations, anything at all, how to cook with it, how to clean it, how to store it. Come join me at noon tomorrow on Facebook and ask your questions, and we'll kind of do best practices and what we know is the best way to take care of our stoneware so it will last the lifetime for you. So looking forward to that. That's a kickoff tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we'll see you all day on QVC. And then Thursday, I think we're taking a nap. Just kidding. We have the 31 Days of Temptation, so we have a lot going on. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Stacy. Stacy, I love all the pictures that you post. By the way, we'd love to see more pictures, and stay tuned because we have another giveaway this week. Stay tuned to Facebook, okay? Everybody have a great Monday evening. I got to run back and go back on with Stacy, and we'll see you soon, okay? Great Monday night, everybody. Bye-bye.